Good morning and welcome to Kalkine's ASX at breakfast. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open lower today. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.53% fall. Yesterday, the market closed 0.73% higher at 7,124. Evolution Mining has entered into a binding agreement to acquire an 80% interest in the Northparkes Copper-Gold Mine from CMOC Group. Evolution will acquire Northparkes, which is located in New South Wales, for a total cash consideration of around $475 million. Sumitomo Metal Mining and Sumitomo Corporation will retain their 20% interest in the Northparkes JV. Under the transaction structure, Evolution will acquire all the shares in CMOC's Australian subsidiary, CMOC Mining, which will not trigger any preemptive rights. Evolution has also agreed to enter into an offtake agreement under which IXM will purchase from Evolution copper concentrates produced from the Northparkes mine equal to Evolution's 80% attributable interest over the life of mine's existing ore reserves. The transaction will be funded by a $525 million fully underwritten institutional placement and a new $200 million 5-year term debt facility. Neuren Pharmaceuticals has completed enrolments in its Phase 2 clinical trial of NNZ-2591 in Pitt Hopkins syndrome. The Phase 2 trial in children aged 3 to 17 years at 5 hospitals in the US is examining safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetics and efficacy over 13 weeks of treatment. Neuren is also conducting Phase 2 clinical trials of NNZ-2591 in children with 3 other neurodevelopmental disorders called Phelan-McDermid syndrome, Angelman syndrome and Prader-Willi syndrome. All 4 programs have been granted orphan drug designation by the US Food and Drug Administration and are being developed under investigational new drug applications. Each syndrome is a seriously debilitating neurological disorder that emerges in early childhood and has no or limited approved treatment options. Cyclopharm is pleased to announce that Duke University Hospital has signed the first commercial contract for the use of Technegas in the United States. Following the approval of Technegas by the United States Food and Drug Administration on the 29th of September, this agreement signifies a major milestone for the company. Duke University Hospital is consistently ranked among the top medical centres in the United States, offering a wide range of specialties. Historically used in the diagnosis of pulmonary embolism, Technegas is being used in other disease states to include COPD, asthma, pulmonary hypertension and long COVID. We'll take a short break here, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.11%. The S&P 500 dropped 0.54% and the Nasdaq is down 0.84%. European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE lost 0.22%, Frankfurt gained 0.04% and Paris closed 0.18% lower. Looking at Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 0.6%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 1.09%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.29% higher. That's the latest on the ASX at breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.